why your retirement plan won't save you, and what will. Most people think retirement means finally resting after decades of work, but let me be real with you. Traditional retirement plans were built for a world that no longer exists anymore. Pensions, poof, vanished. Social Security, strained. And savings accounts, they don't even beat inflation. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, and great grandmother who hit retirement age and realized the numbers didn't add up. After 40 plus years of hard work in real estate, I was still staring at debt, and freedom seemed almost impossible. Maybe you feel the same way, working longer, sacrificing more, and wondering how you'll ever stop the cycle. Here's the truth: the old system is broken, but there is a new system: digital income. We're in the digital age now. And no, I'm not talking about a scam or chasing trends. I'm talking about a proven business model that pays 100% profit, can run worldwide, and takes only a couple of hours a day once you're all set up. It's a done for you. You just plug it in. Here are 3 steps that changed everything for me. Learn the model. I discovered a blueprint that's repeatable and backed by mentorship and not guesswork. Automate wisely. I stopped trading time for money and let my system run 24/7. Scale at my pace, even while facing health challenges. I built a business that works when I can't. If you're sitting there wondering, isn't it too late for me? Let me say this. I started in my 70s, and I've seen people older than me succeed too. So, here's my question to you. Would you rather spend the next 10 years hoping your retirement plan stretches, or finally take control of your future with something that actually works? Comment below or head to my site. The same blueprint I follow daily is waiting for you. You don't have to stay stuck. Retirement isn't an age. It's the moment you stop trading time for money. And I'm certified mentor to help you every step of the way. So feel free to check it out.